Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today uh, I'm going to explain about code cloud filter for Azure cloud. So let me quickly jump for our Azure cloud. So this is the 100 days of Azure cloud live. So we have already completed till day 5. So this is the day 6 of Azure cloud. So in the day 6 we will see here how we can create a subnet inside the VPC. Like there should be the two type of subnet, either public subnet or private subnet. Okay, so let me quickly start the lab and show you how we can create a subnet inside the VNet. So in terms of AWS, we can see the virtual private cloud VPC and Azure cloud, we can say the virtual network VNet. Okay, so the live is opening for day 6, and if you are uh, learning Azure cloud and you are the beginners, then I would like to suggest you just create a code cloud free live free accounts and start learning from day 1 and try to complete your task day by day, so you will be have a good experience, like live experience. So in the day 6 task is, for this task create a virtual network VNet, name this one, and one subnet name this one. So and the region is US Eastern. So basically it's not about only the subnet task, this one we have to create a VPC VNet first, then inside the VPC we have to create a one subnet. Okay, so it's a core networking things. So let me quickly log in Azure. All right, all right, let me quickly log in. All right, so I am in the Azure cloud. So we have to create a VPC first. So the VPC, I mean the VNet name is this one. Okay, so we have to search here virtual network, this one, sorry, virtual network, not virtual machine, virtual network. Okay, all right, so there is no VNet right now. We can create a new VNet. We are good to go. So it will be select the Azure subscription and resource group, which is already there. We have to give here the name. One second, this one. Okay, and the US East. Okay, the region is East US. Okay, East US. Okay, perfect. Now click on next on the security. Okay, no need to enable the firewall, everything. We have to go here. Okay, our VNet allocations IP is standard/16. All right, no issue. And the default subnet. So in place of default subnet, we can modify this subnet. Okay, and we will give this our subnet name. What will be the subnet name? This name. Okay, US internet range 16. maybe as compared to AWS cloud or GCP, it's bit slow. Of the Azure cloud, it's opening, but sometimes it's take a lot of time. Let me quickly delete this one. And okay, not required. Okay, all right. So click here the subnet. All right. So it would be not where is the subnet name? Okay, we can give here the subnet name. Subnet purpose default. Okay, all right. And subnet name this one. All right. So this is our VNet IP range. So we have to give the subnet IP range. Start address. We can give here 1 and 24. Okay. So this would be the our BPC or VNet subnet. If our BPC range is like this VNet, we have to select this IP range. Okay, this is the private IP range. So we have it's already selected private IP range, and we have to select the subnet IP range. So we can take it one. Okay, so it will be allowed on /24 CIDR. So it will be allowed as 26 256 IP address. Okay, and nothing is else. No need for, because it is not defined either this should be the private subnet or public subnet. If sometimes for the knowledge, if the condition is it should be the private subnet, then we have to select the NAT gateway. Okay, so nothing at root table, nothing, because in this task, see this one, and this is our subnet. Okay, next value we have to select purpose, and purpose should be the free. Okay, good to go. Alright, click on next. It's validating all the components what I selected. Yeah, it is first. Then we can check cross. Our VNet name is Nautilus VNet. Okay, IP range /16. This is perfect as per our task. Okay, alright. The subnet name is Nautilus subnet. Yeah, Nautilus subnet. Okay. Alright, now let's me create. So see, in day 26 we are just creating a VNet, right? So after creating a VNet we can launch multiple virtual machines and a database, whatever we want. Okay, so this is the core networking part. Deployment is completed. Okay, let me or go to the resource like VNet. Yeah, this is created, and if we can search here virtual network, we can find out here. Okay, the perfect region is East US. almost is done. So what we did here, we have created a VNet name, not less VNet, and inside the VNet we have created a one subnet. Okay, all right. So as per this task, we are ready to check. Okay, it's cross verifying. Yeah, perfect. So if you have any confusion, any doubt, do let me on the comment sections. I will happy to answer there. And thanks for watching. So in this day we have already done all the things. Thanks.